Hello everybody. Today we'll do this split and how to do it. I will show you now some exercises which help you to do stretch. So we'll take legs in the set and starting to press. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Take our knees and try to take this leg. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And slowly slide and try to take this leg and pushing down. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slowly go down and take on the stomach and try push this leg. This is leg more back. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good work. Take seat. Take the breeze in this side. So take two legs together. Take your breeze. Slowly breathe out and go down. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So thank you so much for watching. I will hope that you like it. Take me a good comments and watching my another video. So bye bye.